Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. So this hair video is sponsored by Hairvivi. I have worked with Hairvivi before, and guys, when I tell you, I was super excited to work with them again because their hair, their wigs, just immaculate, like immaculate wigs. Amazing. Okay, so the last wig I had from them, PrePlucked pre-bleached wig, so everything came prepared. I did not have to pluck the wig, I did not have to color the wig, nada. I didn't do anything to it, I just put it on my head. So here again I've got a pre-plucked pre-bleached, and when they say pre-plucked, guys, they mean pre-plucked. I'll zoom you guys in. I don't have to do nothing. The lace is like perfectly bleached. I thought I was gonna have to go in and like bleach it again, but it literally matches my skin tone so well. If it wasn't for this bit, like, you wouldn't even notice like I have lace on my forehead. That's how much the lace be lacing. This wig is actually pre-styled as well, so it's this gorgeous 16-inch layered wig. Actually, I sat down today, I haven't had to do anything, like easy breezy beautiful cover girl lifestyle. All I'm gonna do is glue this wig to my head and put on my makeup, and like literally that's it. That's how good this wig is. Look at the parting. Like, I cannot stop looking at this wig. It's just really good. So yeah, I'm gonna stop waffling and we are going to install this hair. I'm gonna cut the lace, and the lace is like so good, guys. Like, it's like no other lace I've seen before. And I'm so glad that this wig actually fits, because the last Hairvivi wig I had was just a bit too small for me, so I ended up giving it away because I couldn't wear it, and the wig was just too good to just like go to waste or throw away. Literally everything difficult and time consuming about making a wig or buying a pre-made wig, they've literally just solved the problem. Like, literally. I'm supposed to be going out today. I'm supposed to be ready for 4:30. It's now just gone past 3 o'clock, and I still need to do my makeup, but I'm gonna be right on time because I don't have to go in and like hot comb the life out of this frontal. I don't got to do nothing, and you can tell like the wig is really good quality as well. You're really getting your money's worth for when you get this wig. Lace is literally cut, so all I have to go in and do is glue the wig to my head. But before we do that, I'm gonna take some wax stick, my Care wax stick, and like get the wig to lay flat. Use my curling wand. This curling wand is really good, to be fair. It gets really hot, so we'll most definitely do the job. This looks like I went to a hairstylist and got my hair done. No way does this look like a pre-made wig from a hairbender like that literally just got sent to me. Guys, like, I wouldn't lie to you, I'm not joking to you. I did not do a thing to this wig, like absolutely nothing at all. Now I'm going to glue the wig down to my head. I'm just going to take the usual, my olive oil super hold spray, and I'm just gonna spray that in front. have finished gluing the wig down, and I've just gone in and added just a cheeky baby hair just by itself. So I think I'm gonna add another one. I just want to quickly like straighten this side of the hair so you can see what the hair is giving, and it straightens so easily. So wow. This just looks like the type of hair that would like never tangle. Aside from the fact that I haven't like straightened the ends of this side, I really don't even need to go in and straighten it. I could leave it like that, but simply gorgeous. If you're looking for a wig that you don't have to really do anything to but still get hairstylist results, this is your wig. Like, this wig is everything. This is the finished result. It's about to be my summer wig. This is so gorgeous. Like, everything about this wig is easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. The wig is super easy to install. As you saw, it did not take me longer than 20 minutes, like real time. This is like just like a lace frontal that they sent me, and I just want to show you guys like how like gorgeous and stunning that lace is. It literally, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. Look at that pre-plucked hairline. Literally, you don't have to do nothing. Big thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring in this video. All the links for this hair will be in the description box down below, so do not forget to check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.